How to fix TikTok no internet connection problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your TikTok app when it keeps saying network connection problem or no internet connection. So sometimes when you try to open your TikTok and watch some TikTok, it'll simply show up no internet connection. So there are a few possible reasons as to why this problem may be occurring. The first one is your internet connection. So you need a stable internet connection to run TikTok, and sometimes maybe your Wi-Fi isn't working or your mobile data isn't working. So if this problem is occurring, try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi, whichever one you are on right now. So currently I'm on my Wi-Fi. So if I'm getting the problem, I'll simply try switching to mobile data, and in most of the cases the problem will be solved. But if your problem is still there, what you can do is go to your settings. After that, scroll all the way down and then go to apps. Now locate the TikTok app. After that, you'll have to scroll down and then go to storage. Now you'll have to simply first of all clear your cache. After that, tap on clear data and then remove the entire storage of your TikTok app. Now once you've done that, go to TikTok and then try logging into your account once again. And before doing that, also make sure your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. To do that, go to your Play Store or your App Store and then type in TikTok. Now if it says open, it means that your TikTok app is up to date. But if it says update, simply update it to the latest version by tapping the update option. Since mine is on the latest version, I'll simply tap on open. And now if you try logging into your TikTok account, your problem will be surely solved. So that is basically how you fix TikTok no internet connection problem. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.